Hi everyone, this is Sushmita and you're watching me on Sushmita's Diaries. Today I'm back with another DIY shampoo recipe using a magic ingredient that is Moringa leaves powder. So guys, get ready for a natural shampoo that not only cleanses but also rejuvenates your hair. Before we begin, let me talk about that why am I so excited about Moringa. Moringa leaves are often considered as a superfood. Moringa, which is also known as drumsticks in English and sejan in Hindi, has been a part of our culture and cuisines for centuries. It totally proves the fact that our early generations already knew about its benefits much before the West discovered them. So let me share some really mind-blowing facts about Moringa. As per the National Center of Biotechnology Information US, Moringa leaves are nutritional powerhouse and hold your breath. They contain 15 times more potassium than bananas, 7 times more vitamin C than oranges, 10 times more vitamin than carrots, 17 times more calcium than milk, and they also help in increasing the antioxidant level in your blood that reduces the process of aging in your body, which means that your hair will be in the graying process much later in life. Your skin will remain youthful for a very long time, and with the regular usage of moringa leaf powder, the free radicals are going to be controlled. So kind of you age really late in life. And these were just the nutritional fact about your overall health. If you just talk about its benefits for hair, moringa leaves nourish and strengthen the hair, promote healthy scalp. It also reduces dandruff, enhances a natural shine and bounce in hair, and improves the overall hair texture. So now let's get started with our shampoo making process. Let's quickly begin with making our shampoo. The very first ingredient that we need is moringa powder, of course. Here I'm using the dried moringa leaf powder. The buying links are given in the description box. Just to ensure that the shampoo effectively cleans the hair and scalp of all the grease, let's add some Rita powder as well. Rita has traditionally been used as a natural hair cleanser that does away with all the dirt and impurities, and it also makes an excellent shampoo base. It doesn't hamper with the scalp's natural pH level as well. I'm also going to add some hibiscus powder. If you have the dried hibiscus flower petals, then go ahead and use them. Hibiscus makes the hair bouncier, thicker and glossier, and it also restores the natural shine and the color of the hair. Now to make the shampoo, I have taken 1 liter of water in a heavy bottom pan. Drop all the 3 powders into this pan. Give it all a little stir. The next step is to boil the solution for 10 to 12 minutes on high flame till it remains just the half of the quantity it originally was. Boiling also helps with the infusion of the herbal powders into the water. Alternatively, you can soak it all up overnight for a heatless infusion. So it's been close to 12 minutes now that this solution has been boiling. Now I'm going to take it off the flame and let it cool completely. Preferably, it has to stand for at least 2 hours so that the infusion takes place properly. So after 2 hours, this has completely cooled down and infused nicely. Now let's sieve this to get rid of the residue. If the consistency is kept a little thick, this can also be used as a hair mask, just as you use those good old henna hair packs. So after sieving, this is what I have with me. Now comes the most important part of this shampoo making process. First, let's transfer this into a clean dry pump bottle. Now guys, since this is all natural and free of preservatives, this would not last for more than 4 to 5 days, that too in a fridge. So to improve its effectiveness and increase its shelf life, I'm going to add a few drops of rosemary essential oil to this shampoo. And if you know me, if you have been watching my videos, you would know that I love rosemary essential oil, and it is one of my most favorite ingredients while preparing DIY hair oils, hair masks, shampoos, etc. It increases the shelf life of the product and helps with new hair growth as well. Now this is the last step and it is totally optional, but for those people who complain that natural shampoos don't froth enough or they don't properly clean the scalp of oil and grease. So here is what you may do to turn this homemade shampoo into a proper store-bought shampoo. Add just a bit of natural castile soap and shampoo base. This is a mild and absolutely safe ingredient which can be used in homemade shampoos and soaps. Shopping links are given in the description box. So this basically makes the shampoo froth just like store-bought shampoos. Now you just have to give it all a good stir. So ladies and gentlemen, here we have our DIY Moringa shampoo ready to be used. Keep this in the fridge, and without preservatives, this formula is going to stay good for up to a week. Now I'm going to try this shampoo out on the camera to show you how nicely it lathers. So shaking it well before pumping it out. And guys, since we have added rosemary essential oil, this shampoo actually smells wonderful. And as you can see, this lathers almost instantly. Apply it generously on wet hair till it foams properly and rinse. You may repeat the process if required. Since it is a mild formula, this shampoo can be used every alternate day. Guys, there are so many benefits, that you can derive from moringa leaf powder that it cannot be done and covered in a single video. So I will be coming up with a proper series wherein we will be, making some really cool recipes and formulas for hair, skin and weight loss. So I really hope that you enjoyed today's video. Do try this shampoo out, guys. I'm telling you that you would love this. Your hair will turn more soft, bouncier and much more healthy. And yeah, if you like this video, do share it with your friends and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you all very soon. Till then, bye and take care.